Understand your skin. Brazilian waxing removes hair from the bikini line, so knowing your skin type is crucial. Dry or sensitive skin requires extra preparation and care. The right wax. The type of wax you use matters. Hard wax is recommended for sensitive areas like the Brazilian region, since it's gentler and doesn't stick to the skin as much. Prep your skin. Clean your skin before waxing to remove oils, lotions, or sweat. A clean surface allows for a more efficient wax application and smoother results. Exfoliate before waxing. Exfoliating the skin a day before your waxing session will help prevent ingrown hairs and remove dead skin cells, ensuring the wax adheres properly to hair. Avoid moisturizers. Avoid using any oil-based products or moisturizers before waxing, as these can prevent the wax from sticking to the hair, leading to ineffective hair removal. Trim long hair. If the hair in the waxing area is long, trim it to about 1/4 inch. Too long hair can cause more pain and may make it harder to remove. Do a patch test. Always perform a patch test 24 hours before waxing. This ensures you're not allergic to the wax or any ingredients, preventing unwanted skin reactions. Temperature check. Ensure the wax is warm, but not too hot. Test it on the inside of your wrist before application to prevent burns. The right waxing tools. Invest in high-quality waxing spatulas, strips, and applicators. These tools ensure smooth, even application, which is crucial for professional-looking results. Apply wax in small sections. Apply the wax in small, manageable sections to avoid wastage and ensure precision. This is especially important for the Brazilian area. Press and smooth. After applying the wax, press it gently onto the skin to help it adhere to the hair. Let the wax cool slightly before you pull it off. The right direction. Always pull the wax against the direction of hair growth. Hold the skin taut with one hand and remove the wax quickly and decisively. Post-wax care. Apply a soothing gel or oil after waxing to calm the skin. Aloe vera or witch hazel are popular choices for reducing redness and irritation. Hot showers. After waxing, avoid hot showers or saunas for at least 24 hours, as heat can irritate freshly waxed skin. Stay away from sun exposure. The skin is more sensitive after waxing, so protect the area from direct sun exposure for at least 48 hours to prevent burns or darkening. Regular waxing. The more you wax, the finer and sparser your hair grows back. Consistency is important for smoother and longer-lasting results. Watch ingrown hairs. To prevent ingrown hairs, gently exfoliate the area 2-3 days after waxing and continue doing so regularly. Hydrate skin. Keeping the skin hydrated helps maintain its elasticity and can make future waxing sessions less painful. Avoid tight clothing. After waxing, avoid tight clothing that could rub against the skin, leading to irritation or discomfort. Thanks folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.